Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. Friend, this is me Asya and today I will show you in this video so stylish and very attractive ideas of low maintenance hairstyling and haircut. With beautiful hair dye. And so stylish overall collection in low maintenance, so I hope you like it. First of all, I will talk about haircut. Different ideas of haircut you see in this video. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas: layered, deep layered. Some ideas: step, undercut, and so beautiful collection of short bang, side bang, one side bang, two-sided bang, and so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyling in spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle. But some collection is fine hairstyling. And so beautiful ideas of hair dye. Most popular hair dye, blonde color. In blonde streaks, highlights, chunks. Ideas of highlights: blonde color, grey color, funky color, and burgundy color. And other shade of dye: black color, grey color, light brown, dark brown, and very beautiful collection of highlights. Ash color, and so beautiful ideas, hairstyling and haircut in low maintenance for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it, and I suggest please you watch this video till end. If you like it, so try this. So cut your hair, dye your hair, and choose the one hairstyle. If you try it, I hope you look too gorgeous, and I think your personality will be completely changed. You look gorgeous, you look adorable and very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it all over social media accounts. If you new or any other thing on my channel, please share your ideas with me. I will become with new trends according to your ideas, so you must share with me. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video. Take care and bye bye.